Well, hello all. I've just pulled off, have a bit of a rest. I'm currently, it's my GPS, I'm 219 miles from Omaha, Nebraska. And so far today, I've done, how many miles have I done? Oh, probably about 270 miles. Maybe 280 miles. Yeah, I'm not sure whether I'll make it to Omaha, but it's been a bit of a battle today, or you could say a challenge. The reason being, it's extremely windy, and as us motorcyclists or other motorcyclists looking at this know, particularly crosswinds are a real battle. So I'll go through here. I'm just about to jump back out on the highway. And you'll see how windy it is. This is the I-80 that I'm jumping onto, the main link that goes up to, well, I'm going up to Chicago. Looks like there's a bit of a storm in the background. No, maybe not, just cloudy. And here we go again, back onto the windy freeway. It's been interesting passing trucks, because you get caught in there, in the wind behind them. It sort of propels you forward as you come in alongside it, and you absolutely rocket past. But when you get to the front of the truck, you get hit with a wall of wind, and it tries to push you off into the medium in the middle, which is rather lovely. In this, well, particularly in this wind, and you can probably see the wind of the bike and try to keep it straight. I've been doing this for the at least 200 miles of this. It's hard work, but you can look at it another way, it's a great challenge too. I don't like to say, oh, isn't it terrible, you know. Just got to look at it on the positive side. You've got to fight it. Now you watch as I come up behind this. I'll try and, depends how fast. Some of these trucks go pretty fast, like over 80, what's it been going, 85, the truck's going 85 miles per hour, that is, which, I'm trying to see if that is in kilometres for the Australians. It's more like about 135 kilometres an hour. That's pretty fast for a truck. The problem is when you get up, for those that don't ride a motorcycle, when you're in this range here, you get all these gusts of wind off the back of the truck. So I'm getting absolutely pulled around the bugger at the moment. You can probably see the bike. Watch this. Now I'm not going to move the accelerator, the throttle I should say. As you can see, the bike's trying to move around. As I come up alongside him, well, no, it didn't really work this time. Anyway, oh, here comes the wall, and you'll see the lean of the bike as it tries to push it down to the medium street. Hang on to it!